Just while we're on the pandemic, a couple of other bits of news. An experimental vaccine developed at the University of Oxford is to be tested from mid-June in Brazil. Researchers chose Brazil because it is in the accelerated curve of the pandemic. 2,000 volunteers are being recruited there. The university says the results will be fundamental for the vaccine's approval in the UK, which it says it expects late this year. German Chancellor said the country will plough 130 billion euros, around $146 billion, into a stimulus package to kickstart an economy severely hit by the pandemic. The measures will include value-added tax temporarily slashed, families to receive 300 euros for each child, and those who purchase electric cars will see a government rebate double to 6,000 euros. The UK's Business Secretary, Alok Sharma, seeing him here, is self-isolating because he became unwell in Parliament. He looked pretty uncomfortable while taking part in a debate, mopping his brow several times. The spokesman said the MP has now been tested for coronavirus and is awaiting the results. Scientists are running a trial to see whether a type of ibuprofen can help treat coronavirus. They hope the low-cost drug, an anti-inflammatory as well as a painkiller, could address breathing difficulties and keep patients off ventilators. They're recruiting patients now. They don't expect to complete the study, though, until next year. Previous studies have recommended against using the drug, saying it can worsen symptoms.
The paper's top story says the government's push to reopen primary schools in England on Monday has fallen flat, saying that figures show thousands of schools didn't open.
And online, one of the most read stories on the BBC website is one we were discussing a little later this morning. More than half of the UK population have struggled with sleep during lockdown.